Hello, everyone, and welcome to a new weekly overview. The last weekly overview, الأسبوع الماضي, was the market was not really that good. We couldn't grab a lot of pips because we must understand something also. Now we are in the middle of the summer. It's August, end of July, August, and the volume might go down now during this time of year because most of the traders are going into holidays. They are going into يعني inactivity, as we can say. So we must be careful from now on, especially for this month. يعني going more for the scalp, more than the swing, but also securing profit during our swing trades. So أول شيء بدي أقول لكم هاي جميعا لو weekly overview جديد برعاية Swissquote Bank, one of the leading banks and the investment banks in the world. They are sponsoring this live stream and giving us the chance to be part of this global uh, banking system with investment at the same time. نحن اليوم هذا الأسبوع ما كان ويكلي أوفري واو، بس أوفر أول الشهر كان كتير منيح. بما انه نحن قربنا على اوغست وهلا عم نفوت باوغست، عم بيكون الماركت شوي الفولاتيليتي فيه قليله، بما انه اكثريه التريدرز هلا بالفيكيشن وعم يرتاحوا، و يعني بيكون في انكتيفيتي، بيكون في اقل حركه بالماركت. سو بدنا ننتبه نكون عم ناخذ سكالب تريدز منيح، والسوينج نأمن فيهم بروفيت ونعلي ستوب لوسات، لانه يمكن هذا الشهر يكون مش هالقد قوي بما يتعلق بالفوليوم. So first to start directly, we have like next week the news: USD on Monday, ISM manufacturing, Australian dollars. We have okay, this time of course this is this is sorry, Dubai time, 2:45 a.m., 6 p.m., 3 p.m. We have ISM monetary policy for GBP. It will be 3 p.m. on Thursday. There is many news: Canadian USD non-farm. We have the non-farm next week on Friday, non-farm payroll and FP. So next week we will have a good move in the market. So we must be careful about it and we must work on it. So let's start with Dow Jones, the US 30. As you can see, we have this move start to push up. Now we have this resistance at this level and هيدا resistance هون almost also interesting one, and the big resistance is here. We have this position. If we open, makes a wick down and start to push up, we might have the buy 32,987, 32,997 TP1, 33,125 TP2, 33,271 TP4, TP3, and 33,375 TP4. Stop loss will be 32,806. Oh, even not. Yes, 32,831. We go to the lower time frame, to the 4-hour chart. As we can see, we have a certain divergence being formed, and this can create a potential move down. فيها تخلق move down هيدي اللي عم تنعمل. So we must be careful about it. Look here. We have this level. If it breaks CCI percentage R, it break here. We might have this cell as a retracement تكون عم تريح. هون 32413 32513 ستوب لوس 34403 تي بي 1 سوري 32403 السل تي بي 1 32493 سكالب 32994 تي بي 2 32194 تي بي 3 و 32000 تي بي 4 32000 gold already moved up, broke this, wick down, small wick down, and start to push up. It was a nice move, hitting more. We are still in the buy for the gold. It should open, makes a wick down, and keep pushing up. So already you are still in the buy in the gold. We secured the TP2, but stop loss should be less than TP2, and it should resume up till the same profit. If you didn't enter yet in the gold, so here you have to move with the resistance at this level. بنعلي resistance لهذا level, and the entry we need an open wick down, and then if it start to push up إذا كمل طلع بعد الويك داون 1772 الباي 1763 ستوب لوس للسوينج عم بحكي 73 تي بي 1 يعني 72 قلنا 1772 الباي تي بي 1 1773 تي بي 2 1778 تي بي 3 1802 وتي بي 4 1838 تقريبا. We have a clean traffic up in this. هلا for the reversal we go to the 4 hour same as US 30. Go for the short term to the 4 hour تنشوف شو عنا. See what we have. Okay, we have 1751, 1755 stop loss, 1752, 50, sorry, TP1, 1740, 47 TP2, 1742 TP3, and 1734 TP4. This is for a reversal on gold. For the daily, the big down, it should resume all the way down to this, but it's not, it's most likely not to happen now. US oil, we are still holding the same. بعدنا ناطرين الباي إذا كمل طلعة جرب يعمل ما قدر. إذا كمل سكر الجاب بس if you can see it close the gap of the last week. Look تقريبا لا it didn't close it full by the way. بعد عنده بلش يسكر بالجاب this gap. Look we have the gap here. كان بلش يسكر فيها بس ما سكرها. Now if it breaks the high 102.08 it should resume the gap till 103.55. It will be a buy. I will move this down to close the gap to be here. Okay, so the buy will be 102.24, TP1 102.34, TP2 will be 103.38, TP3 105, and TP4 107. For the stop loss, it will be 101.35 for the stop loss. As for the sell, we'll keep it the same here. If it breaks 92.64, stop loss 93.62, TP1 92.54, TP2 91.74, TP3 89.71, and TP4 87.43. We go to GJ. GJ is still trying to move down now. Let's see if it will be able to move down. If it opens, makes a wick up and start to push down, we'll have the sell 161.31, stop loss 161.81, 21 TP1, 160 70 TP2, the wick fill, 159.95 TP3, and 159 TP4. As for the buy, we need a reversal and start pushing up until it reach 166.43, stop loss 166.02, 166.60 TP, 53 TP1, 166.70 TP2, 167.23 TP3, and 167.80 TP4. Bitcoin. Now it start to push up again, reaching around 24,000 here. We need this. If it opens, makes a wick down and start to push up, 24,636 the entry, stop loss 24,064, 24,846 TP1. We have a clean traffic 25,513 TP2, 26,581 TP3, and 28,000 TP4. As for the sell, we will remain the same for the sell 18,346, stop loss 19,08, 18,346, and the TP1, TP2, TP3, the same pure like last week. For the euro dollar, it's stagnating here, but it seems to start making the push up, resuming the push up. If we take Fibonacci as a method, Fibonacci, it did almost like the 50% retracement and a little bit more, not yet 61.8. So if it breaks this 102.90, stop loss will be here. It will be resuming up after creating a support. بعد ما عمل support بيكون عم بيكمل طلعة. So هون بتكون 102.86 entry, 102.70 TP1, 102.96 TP1, sorry, stop loss, 103.22, sorry, 103.30 TP2, 103.77 TP3, and 104.44 TP4. 1008 the sell. If it breaks the support, it will be critical with a clean traffic down. So the sell will be 108.94, stop loss 101, and so here it's 10089, 10089, sorry, 1.0089, stop loss 1.0115, 1.0079, TP1, 1.0040 TP2, 1.0014 TP3, and 0.9950 TP4. For the GBP USD, for GBP USD, it's trying to do an inverted head and shoulder. Let's see now if it will break up. We should resume up. And if it opens, makes a wick down and push up again, especially breaking 122.44, this level, we should get the buy to resume up. مع انه شوي كريتيكال، انتبهوا له لاسترليني دولار. So هون بهالحالة الشروة بتكون 122.55, 122.65 TP1, 123.05 TP2, 123.45 TP3, and 124.23 TP4. Stop loss 1.2230. As for the sell, this time, if it breaks the support here, it should resume down. We go for the 4 hours. Yes, the sell will be at this level. 1.2058, stop loss 1.2085, TP1 1.2048, TP2 1.1984, TP3 1.1943, stop loss 1.2089 was the buy we said before. AUD USD, Australian dollar, daily. What a day for the USD. Critically again. 0.703435, stop loss 0.7020, 45 TP1, 7070 TP2, 7095 TP3, and 7136 TP4, stop loss 7020. This is for the Australian dollar if it resumes up إذا بيكمل الطلعة. As for the sell, we need all this down to have this swing. So the entry will be like the last week. رح يضل مثل هيداك الأسبوع 0.88 55 اللي هو ستوب لوس تبعها تي بي 1 تي بي 2 and تي بي 3 و4 مثل هيداك الأسبوع. يعني بدنا نقطع كل هيدي المرحلة اللي فيها تخشبر مثل ما بيقول. Okay, as for the NZD USD, also we need to push it up. حاجة نطلعها طلوع 0.6334 stop loss 0.6311 TP1 6344 TP2 6375 TP3 6412 and TP4 6440 stop loss 6311. As for the sell, also it will be the same until it goes down and have the clean traffic down. So it will be the same down, the same sell, the same stop loss, the same take profit, 1, 2, 3, 4. USD CHF getting ready to break down like والله نزلة, but we have to be careful on the daily. The CCI and the percentage R are down. We have to be careful for a reversal. If not, it should resume down. لاحظوا قد ايه ماشي على السيستم. Once it broke here, look what a move down. It broke here, look what a move up. It broke here, look what a move down. CCI percentage are the best indicators, to be honest, to check the market. Here we had the divergence also. لاحظوا لما خلصت divergence يكمل. So we will see now if it will break up, it will be a buy. If not, if it opens, makes it up and start to push down again, yeah, it's critical, guys. It already went down. I don't know if it will resume one way down. Be careful for the SDCHF. The sell is near. It's here the same like last time, but we need to wake up like last week. But if it reverse with the CCI percentage R breaking minus 100 and minus 80, so you must be careful because it should resume up. كنت انتبهوا في حال قلبت ممكن يكمل طلعة. يعني هلا رح نترك السل هي ذاتها بس الرد طلوع خطرة. بدنا نشوف سي سي اي برسنتج ار اي متى بيكسر. بكره بنرجع نشوفها مع السويس كود بالسيشن on Monday. I will put only the sell. The buy, it's critical. I need to wait. I will keep the same buy above and the same sell. USD CAD breaking down, still moving down. Also, if we have a wick look, we still have low, high, lower high, lower high, lower high. Now, if it moves up and start to push down, open, wick up, and then pushing down, we have a clean traffic down. We can have the sell here at 1.278182, 127.72, 128.10 stop loss, 127.72 TP1, 1.2734 TP2, 1.2672 TP3, and 1.2584 TP4. It will be a nice move down. As for the buy, I will keep it also the same. To move up, we have the buy will be at 1.2955, stop loss 1.2930, TP1 1.29765, TP2 1.3011, TP3 13061, and TP4 131. And stop loss will be at 1.2927. It will be interesting also for the buy reversal, but as for the sell, we have almost a double top. Hopefully, it will resume down after this double top for the clean traffic. I think this is the target. This will be the target. هذا راح يكون target على القد. It will be all the way up. But of course, we must be also careful about a reversal because CCI percentage R are oversold. So we must be careful for a potential reversal at the same time. يعني always in this market, secure profits. Secure profit. This is what you care about. Okay, so هيدا كان this was the weekly overview for this week. It's critical guys. Be careful. I'm telling you it's critical. عم بقول لكم انتبهوا منه هالقد مريح الماركت. نقوا بير او بيرتين اشتغلوا عليهم على رواق. اكدوا منهم خلال الاسبوع. نحن مع سويس كوت نهار الاثنين رح نرجع نشوف اليورو دولار استرليني دولار استرليني ين الجولد والنفط والداو. And it will be interesting to update what will happen on Monday next week. It's a news week and we will have the NFP on Friday كمان رح يكون عندنا NFP نهار الجمعة. So كمان ممكن يكون أسبوع منيح. Love you so much guys. Watch well the weekly overview. Thanks Swissquote Bank for sponsoring this weekly overview and the live streams that we do. And best of luck for all of you guys.